हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वेल्थ अनलिमिटेड। आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे स्टॉक की जिसे रिसेंटली मैंने अपने पोर्टफोलियो में ऐड किया है एंड आई बिलीव ये स्टॉक एक बहुत अच्छे ब्रेकआउट लेवल पे खड़ा है एंड यू शुड डेफिनेटली थिंक अबाउट एडिंग दिस स्टॉक इन योर पोर्टफोलियो एज वेल। So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. चलिए अब बात करते हैं स्टॉक की। द स्टॉक नेम इज साइंट टेक्नोलॉजीज। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, द कंपनी नेम इज रिटन एज CYENT और इसी नाम से ये कंपनी स्टॉक मार्केट एक्सचेंज में भी लिस्टेड है। What now talking about ये कंपनी काम क्या करती है? You can see here that the company is a tech consulting company and they play majorly role into engineering, manufacturing, digital, semiconductor and geospatial industries. This company is very well known for their technology, especially in the service industries. The 82% of this company's revenue come from the service industry, which makes it very unique. अगर हम बात करें इस कंपनी के करंट मार्केट प्राइस की, तो आप देख सकते हैं the current market price for Cyient Ltd is 1001 rupees. अगर मैं आपको कहूं कि the Friday market fall was very bad and the market was not able to sustain the level of 17,000, whereas जो Cyient Technology और Cyient Ltd की कंपनी है वो 6% अप थी even in a bad market. So आप खुद सोच सकते हैं that किस टाइप का वॉल्यूम इस कंपनी में रहा होगा and in future also what kind of return this company can generate. You can see here as well that it is a world leading outsourcing company और इनका जो major revenue है that comes from US, Europe and then India. The stock PE for Cyient Ltd is 21.2 और इनका 52 week high is near 1012 and 52 week low is near 720. So there are high chances अगर ये कंपनी अपना 52 high break करती है which is of 1012, you can see a immediate run up of 50 to 60 points in this particular company. और 50 से 60 points कम नहीं होते हैं which will be equal to roughly 5 to 6% and definitely even more if it is able to sustain the level of 1000 in coming months. अब इसके fundamentals की बात करें, why I am bullish on this particular company. One was the sole reason that it gave a beautiful breakout. But even if you will see that the company in comparison to its competitors are doing well and it is also having a low PE. अगर आप बात करें KPIT टेक्नोलॉजीज की जो 69.81 के PE पे है, वहीं पे साइंट का स्टॉक अभी सिर्फ 21 के PE पे आपको मिलता है. There is another company which is Emphasis, but according to the market trends or even the market volumes, this Emphasis is not doing well currently. In comparison to that, Cyient is showing much better strength in the stock market. Looking at the financials of Cyient Ltd, you will see that the company is able to generate their sales more and more every year. In December 2022, they did a sales of 1,618 crore, whereas their operating profit has been increasing at 283 crore, which was 212 crore in previous year quarter. Similarly, there has been increase in profit from 79 to 156 crore in quarter on quarter basis, as well as there has been increase from 132 to 156 crore on yearly basis. Again, it's a very healthy sign and that is the reason, one of the big reason that the company is currently trading near its 52 week high as well. Looking at the shareholding pattern for the company, there has been a slight decline in the FII's data and there has been increase in the DII data. So I'll tell you what are FIIs and what are DIIs. FIIs are the foreign institutions and DIIs are the domestic institutions. By foreign institutions, I mean the large investment companies like BlackRock, or you can take another example of State Street Global, and domestic institutions are big firms like investment firms like Canara, investment firms of HDFC Securities, etc. So I believe that the FIIs took out their money because of the certain fear of inflation in the US and company not doing well in future. But I believe on the breakout chart and the fundamentals of the stock are quite well, and this particular company can give you a good return of 5 to 15% in coming months. Now talking about the sign from the chart perspective, आप देख सकते हैं मैंने यहाँ पे दो लाइन ड्रॉ कर रखी है. This line was for the previous resistance, which was company facing at the level of 980 roughly, and the downward support for the company is 920. तो मैंने इस कंपनी में एंट्री ली थी on Friday. I have taken the entry roughly near 980 rupees only because that is where my alarm triggered for this particular stock. और आपको मैं बता दूं that the stop loss for this company for me is going to be of the level of 900. I am playing in this particular company for the immediate target of 1050-60. Further, if it sustains, it can definitely go up to the level of 1200 as well in coming months. अगर आपको सिमिलरली चार्ट में आपको एक मंथ के पैटर्न पे दिखाता हूं तो आप देख सकते हैं इस कंपनी का ऑल टाइम हाई इज रफली नियर 1300 एंड इट हैज फेस्ड रेजिस्टेंस नियर द लेवल ऑफ 1200. तो अगर आप इस कंपनी में एंटर करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन लुक फॉर द टारगेट ऑफ 1180 वेयर यू कैन प्लान टू बुक योर प्रॉफिट. और अगर मैं इस स्टॉक से रिलेटेड कुछ न्यूज़ की बात करूं तो आप देख सकते हैं रिसेंटली roughly around 28th Feb, even Motilal Oswal has re-rated the Cyient Technologies for the 21% upside. आप देख सकते हैं मोतीलाल ओसवाल ने इसे टारगेट दिए है 1170 के 1170. आई एम नॉट सेइंग this because that the Motilal Oswal has given the potential upside returns. There are other companies also like Morgan Stanley which has re-rated and underweighted them for the target of 700 as well. So definitely it's not something which I am telling you or recommending you to buy, but this is what I have done as a research, and this is one of the things why I like this particular stock is because it has been consolidating very well on the chart and now finally it has given a breakout. So eventually I believe that this particular stock can give you a good return in the coming year, which is little tricky and volatile. So definitely you can look for this stock. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of Cyient Ltd and what can be the possible chances of it going to be on the upside and the downside. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.